Hi guys, what's up? Tim here. So in this video I want to show you exactly how you can customize the scroll bar on your website. So when you are building a website with Elementor, for example, and you want to customize the scroll bar, here you can see the standard scroll bar. So this looks a little bit boring, and yeah, I want to show you how you can easily customize the scroll bar. So make a custom background here, or adjust the color of the scroll bar, or make a gradient, for example. And yeah, this is what I want to show you. So when we are here on our website, then you can see on the top the black bar, you can see customize. So when we click here on customize, then we can change the global settings of the website. Here you can see you can change the typography, for example, the colors, the button colors, everything. And down here at the bottom you can see additional CSS or custom CSS. So it depends on your theme that you are using. So you don't have to use Astra. You can use almost any theme, and then you have the customizer setting, and here you can see additional CSS or custom CSS. So it depends on your theme. So when we click here, then you can see here we can input our custom CSS code. So for example, when you change when you want to change button colors, you can do this here, for example, or yeah, anything you can change here. You can put in custom CSS code, and I have a document for you here. So this document provides you with the custom CSS code for the scroll bar here. And this document, this text document, when you want to copy this, you can find it in my Patreon. On my Patreon page, you can simply go to my Patreon page and then make a free account or make a paid account and support me. And then you can download this TXT file. So this is free. You only have to go to my Patreon account, and then you can download this. So when we copy this, so then let me explain you, and we paste it in here. So then you can see immediately that we have a change here. So you can see we have now a gradient here, we have a different background, and then also we have a hover effect. So when we go with our mouse pointer over the scroll bar, then you can see this change color. So of course right now I have implemented everything, every changes you can possibly imagine in this code line. You don't have to use you don't have to use, for example, you can get rid of the hover effect, you can change the colors, you can change the background color of the scroll bar, and this is what I'm just show you. So here you can see the code. Let me explain you the code. So the code works, the CSS code works with a WebKit, and the WebKit is named scroll bar. And here you can see we can adjust the width of the scroll bar, so we can make it smaller, we can make it bigger. So I did it with px, with pixel size. So when we change this, for example, from 10 pixel to 20 pixel, then you can see it's getting a little bit bigger. And yeah, you can even make it I don't know, so you can even make it to 50 pixel, but I think, yeah, 10 pixel is good. And here you can see the next code line, or next line is the background color, and we can change the background color. So the background color works with hex code here. Here we have a hex code, but we also can, for example, delete the hex code, and then we can simply type in green, for example, and then you can see the scroll bar background is green. But also we can grab hex code. This website here is really cool, redketchup.io. I will put the link in the video description to this website. There you can easily grab your hex code. Here you can see, here you can choose your desired color. So here are a few predefined colors. So this gray color, then you will get automatically the hex code for this gray color. But you can also choose your desired color here with the mouse cursor, or we can go back. Then let's copy this hex code and we paste it in here. Now you can see we have this grayish background. So then let's go to the next code line. So the next code line is also a WebKit scrollbar thumbnail, scrollbar thumb. So this is what you see when you don't interact with the scrollbar. When you not hover over the scrollbar, you can see the background is started with a gradient. So here you can see the gradient starting color. And here you can see the gradient end color. So right now it is on this pinkish color. Let's put in another color. So we go here, then let's make it green, for example. Let's choose this light green as a starting color. Let's copy this and let's paste it in here. So now we have defined the starting color. And the end color, let's make a different darker green. So let's choose this. Let's copy this code and let's paste it in here. Now you can see we have this greenish gradient color when we don't hover over it. And here you also have the option to adjust the border radius. I put it on 10 pixel. You can see you can play around with this. And the next code line, or this code line, also WebKit scrollbar thumbnail hover. So this defines the color when we hover over it. Of course, you can completely get rid of this code line, this hover code line, when you don't want any changes. When you hover with your mouse over the scrollbar, then you can completely get rid of it. Or you can give it another gradient. So let's, for example, here's the starting gradient. So then let's play around here. Let's make light red as starting color. Copy this. And also I will show you a few different other things that you can do. So this is the starting color. And then let's go to this red color, copy this. Then we paste this in here. So now I think we should have a different hover color. Yeah, now you can see we have this red hover color. Also you can, yeah, like I said, you can completely delete this when you don't want to have this hover color. Or another thing is I want to show you, so when you don't want to have this gradient effect, when you want to have a simple color, then you can completely delete all this. So from here to here, let's delete this. Now you can see this is completely gone. And let's put in, for example, white. Put in white. Then you can see we have a white scroll bar without any gradient. And also let's get rid of the hover effect. So now we don't have any hover effect. Now you can see we have the white scroll bar, and yeah, this looks good as well. And so yeah, you can completely customize this, to your likings, and you can play around with this. And if you don't like it, if you want to go back to the standard scroll bar, then yeah, you can simply delete everything. And yeah, then it is completely back to normal, to your theme standard scroll bar. And yeah, so that's it. And this text, this like I said, this custom scroll bar CSS text, I will upload this on my Patreon page. The link to my Patreon page is in the video description. Simply make an account, or yeah, subscribe to my Patreon account, and then you can download this TXT file, and then yeah, simply grab it, copy this, paste it in here and play around with it. So yeah, that's it for this video. So I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and also, yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also please subscribe to my Patreon account. And yeah, that's it for the video. So then thank you very much for your time, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.